Things you wouldn't hear on a Bear Grylls-style survival show.
Hi, I'm Wayne Brady.
Do you have a room near the restaurant? In this hotel, which I would never be checking in. I ripped my jacket. I found some water.
Saved my life. Found some brownies.
Would someone plug in the bear?
Inappropriate things to say at a wedding.
I now pronounce you man and hey!
Are you gonna kiss the bride or can I?
Go ahead. Today, I have not lost a son. I've gained a whore.